welcome back to my channel. So for this video is going to be a giveaway. It's a small giveaway. It's for 100 subscribers. So once I get my 100 subscribers, I'll pick someone and you'll get a prize. So the prize for this giveaway is going to be a winter skincare pack, which is going to be the Nivea Moist Cream Moisture. It smells delicious. Open it up. Oh my god, guys, it smells delicious. It smells so good. So it's the moisturizing body wash. It's cream moisturizer. Care for dry skin. It has the Nivea cream embedded into it, which is amazing. It's supposed to hydrate you and keep you moisturized. Then of course, I'll give you a little travel size Nivea cream for you to take with you on the go, as well as an Aquaphor body therapy. Now this I hear is so strong, like it's very oily, so if you have very dry skin, this is the product for you. And last but not least is the new Aquaphor lip repair. I don't know if it's new, but it's a new formula they have, and this is to keep your lips hydrated, moisturized for now, because now it's the winter time and we've been having crazy amounts of snow. So yeah, so this will be the prize pack for 100 subscribers. The contest rules are: like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want, ring the little bell to get notifications on the rest of my videos, and comment down below what's your go-to skincare moisturizing product, and share. The faster I get 100 subscribers, the sooner I can pick someone, and then I'll do more contests with even more amazing prizes. This is just a small little giveaway, little sample, so you can see what I have. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and good luck to whoever wins. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.
What are you doing? You recording?
Recording.
Oh, gosh. But you were taking a picture of my chin.
No.
Thank you, Stacey.